Well, today we're going to make a very beautiful paper glider. All you need to make this glider is a A4 size paper and a scissors. First, we'll see the whole making of the glider in fast motion and then slow motion. First, fold the paper into half, then into a quarter. Open this and then fold the 1/8 crease. And then just keep folding this 1/8 crease once, twice and 3 times. And then fold the model into half with the strip inside. And now with the scissors, you need to cut a small strip and discard this strip. And then fold the tail wings. These are the 2 tail wings and these are the main wings. Slightly fold them inwards, the main wings. And this is how you hold the glider, very gently with your index finger and your thumb, and you simply chuck it. Now we'll see how to make it in slow motion. First, fold the paper into half, open this, then fold the quarter line, open this and then the 1/8 line. Keep folding it 3 times and then with the strip fold it inside. Now the outer rectangle is a 3x4 square. Cut 3 squares along the red line and then cut the blue line and discard the 2 left hand squares. Now fold 1 square. This is the tail wings and these are the main wings. Repeat this on the other side. Fold the main wings upwards and the tail wings downwards. Now the glider is ready. Gently hold it with your index finger and your thumb and just simply let it go. The glider will glide away about 30 feet and land very softly. See the launching of the glider once again. Simply hold it with your index finger and your thumb and just let it go. It will gently glide and come to a soft landing. This is a very simple glider to make. All you need is an A4 size paper, a scissors, and then you can have loads of fun.